20 years by the Road Council. Council gave me money.
Sako ino nitoretie moritu ma kiagago kiria kirari kuo gia githurano na ikahotana na ikahota guthondeka faita mwako ucio urahitukire. Murugamiriri munene wa Sako ino Anthony Mwangi ndiugite ati Sako ni ihotete guthondeka mirutire ya wira na gutigirira ni matungatira aigithia ao uria kwagiriire.
We are in different sectors. We are in SME, we are in agri, we are also in consumer. We are also doing a lot in terms of supporting those people who are doing long-term facilities.
Thengia wa kigina gia Sako kunyihanyiha na gicunji kia 4% kukiringithania na mwaka muhituku. Thothaite ino ni hotete kuriha mathiri ma ukuria wa Sako na kunyihia mahuthiro kwa gicunji kia 10%.
The total amount that is going to be distributed is a total of 273 million, up from 193. So in actual sense, we are paying 80 million more than what we paid in 2016.
Oho mweri uroka, Sako ino ni irigirire kuhingura honge njeru mwena wa Kisumu na Eldoret.
As an institution that wants to make sure that we are making progressive changes in the economic status of our Kenyans, we believe that we can still bring on board everyone if we can do some moderation on those capping.
Gukura gwa Sako kumanite na utongoria mwega na kuihada gwa Sako eno. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiku wa Kahiu.